This is Andrew Faust. We're at the Center for Bioregional Living. Now we're back in the hay meadow here that I was talking about earlier. It's been unhayed for somewhere around 30 to 50 years. And what you're looking at behind me is an array of what we call in ecology early successional plant communities. And so we have a large white pine that you see there, and a wild blueberry next to it, and then a cedar tree further downhill from the blueberry. And those are all plants that we have purposefully allowed to continue to grow and get bigger in the field because we're going to harvest blueberries from them, we're going to harvest fence posts from the cedar, and we're going to feed the white pine boughs to our goats in the wintertime to supplement their mineral needs and vitamin C. White pine was known by the American Indian tribes as a great vitamin C substitute and supplement in the wintertime. And so what you're looking at is both what nature volunteered in this landscape, and you're looking at what we have purposefully selected for because we wanted to see it continue to really do well in this landscape for us to get a harvest from it. And then we have interplanted these wild edibles and these wild beneficial medicinal plants with cultivated and domestic varieties. We have European chestnut trees, we have Chinese chestnut trees, we have bort nut, which is a type of nut tree that was developed in Japan that's a lot like a walnut. We also have English walnut, which is the eating walnut. And then we have a bunch of black currants and a bunch of red raspberries and gooseberries. And so over time, this landscape is going to be allowed to both continue its natural succession with particular specimens being selected for, and then we are seeing what it is that nature wants to move towards here, and we're interplanting it with more medicinal and edible varieties that would not naturally occur, so that we end up with a highly diversified forest ecology that is created by people and for people.